Hi everyone, my name is Monique and I'm the head of community here at Self. Look, we know life happens and financial setbacks can knock anybody down. Some examples of a financial setback can be job loss, a costly medical expense, or an unexpected emergency. And we know that these obstacles may have caused you to overuse credit or may have prevented you from making on-time payments on a loan or credit card. But the good news is that your credit score is not the end of the road. It is a work in progress. Rebuilding your credit score takes time and consistent effort, but it is achievable. Caring about your credit after a financial setback is crucial because it can significantly impact your financial future. A low credit score can lead to higher interest rates on loans and credit cards, costing you more money in the long run, which is a lot harder to deal with after a financial setback. So caring about your credit could save you money over time. As I mentioned earlier, having a strong credit score can save you money in interest and fees. In addition, a solid credit score gives people the ability to purchase the things that they want now with the promise of paying it back later. Your credit score could help you obtain those bigger ticket items like a car or a home, or even everyday necessities like utilities and insurance. So here are 5 things you can do to rebuild your credit after a financial setback. First, take a look at your current credit situation. So look at your credit report. So you can do this for free at annualcreditreport.com and you can get a free report on a weekly basis. This will help you understand what's really impacting your credit score. So late payments, high credit card balances, or sometimes collection accounts. So understanding where your credit stands really empowers you and helps you to make informed financial decisions. Create an action plan to address the future of your finances. So really sit down, think about your goals, and define your why. Is it purchase a car or a new house? Check out our How to Get Started video if you need help building out your action plan. When you're creating your action plan, include any to-do list items you may need to complete, like calling a creditor or paying down a credit card balance, or you may need to add a trade line to your report. And as you plan out your next steps, don't forget to stop and acknowledge all of the progress you made. This is a celebration in itself. Now that you have your action plan set up, it's time to prioritize your debt. So if you have any outstanding debts like credit card or loan balances, this will be a great time to call your credit card company, loan issuer, or any collection agencies to set up a payment arrangement. This can include catching up on late payments, setting up a new monthly payment plan, or settling collection debt. Remember, your payment history makes up the largest factor of your credit score. So catching up on late payments and establishing a new pattern of on-time payments can have a positive impact on your credit score. Knowing where to start and then having to stay on track is hard, and a lot of us did not have financial education growing up. And credit conversations can either be non-existent or they're just too complicated to have. So asking for help, there's nothing wrong with that. You can try to seek professional help through financial coaches and counselors for free or low cost at national nonprofits like Operation Hope, United Way, and Working Credit. A secured card is a type of credit card that requires a security deposit. This deposit serves as collateral for your account and reduces the risk for the company issuing you the card. To open a secured credit card, you usually hand over a deposit, which can be a couple $100s, and typically your secured card starting limit, their credit limit, is equal to the deposit you put down. In addition to our credit builder account at Self, we also offer a secured credit card, the Self Visa credit card, which is another tool to help you build credit. The Self Visa credit card works similar to a typical credit card, but it is secured, so you will need a deposit to put down, open the account, and set your limit. The other big difference between this card and other credit cards is that there is no credit check required to open the Self Visa credit card. This card is all about building your credit, not bringing it down. Secured credit cards are a useful tool for building or rebuilding your credit because it works just like a credit card, except it's backed by a security deposit. Here's how secured credit cards can help you build your credit, especially after a financial setback. If you're in a rebuilding phase, a secured credit card could help you demonstrate responsible borrowing. And most secured cards do report your activity to the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Your payment history is the largest factor of your credit score, making up for 35% of your FICO score. So making on-time payments can have a positive impact on your credit score over time. Credit utilization is another large factor of your credit score. So keeping your credit card balances low, hopefully below 30% of your available credit, this will generally have a positive impact on your credit score. Building your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. So focus on building healthy financial habits, and hopefully you'll be able to bounce back after this financial setback. Alright, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you need more credit tips, you can always go to self.inc. Bye!